So I'm going to show you how to change maps with EcuTek. So to change maps, it doesn't matter if the car is on or if you're in accessory mode on and the engine is off. You can change maps either way. The only thing is with EcuTek, if the car is an automatic, you cannot change maps when you're driving. However, if the car is a manual like this one, then you can change maps even if you're driving. So what you do is you hold cancel, and then you press up or down in the cruise control button, and this would select the map. Super easy. So let's say I want map 3, press cancel again. I want map 2, hold cancel, down to 2, and then cancel again. That's it. Now, with EcuTek, you can change maps on the application as well if you have the Bluetooth interface. I'm going to show you that as well. So if you opted for the EcuTek Bluetooth interface, you're going to get a pouch like this. You would get here the card of your tuner with all their information. I have 2 stickers as well available in the pouch. This is a PH sticker. And then you will also get the interface itself. You just connect this into your OBD port. It's Bluetooth. It's going to connect to your phone. And then you download an application called ECU Connect. It's available on both Android and iOS. And I'm going to show you my screen right now on the phone to show you what you can do with this. So once you download the application, again, it's called ECU Connect. You're just going to go into My Car. This is assuming, of course, that the Bluetooth interface is connected to the car, and then you also have the accessory on. You're going to see this in front of you. So the first one, info, is going to show you the car info, VIN number, all the information about the car itself. Second one is dashboard. So this is fully customizable, by the way. You can change what you see here, and you can just start or stop it. You have data logging, so you can start and stop the data log as well. Add the mark, the one that you see here next to start, is if you want to do a data log. Let's say you wanted to pin out something that's happening in the car to your tuner. You just press on add mark, and this is going to show your tuner basically that something happened on that specific time. It's just going to show them in the log that there's a mark added. So you just start the log. You can just add as many marks as you want, and then you just add the mark whenever you want to pinpoint something, and then stop the log, and then you would just send this to your tuner. You can do map switching as well, so you can change maps on the go while you're driving as well, even if the car is on automatic. And then launch control if the car is a manual, so you can select 2-step here. So you select whichever RPM you want the car to engage in for 2-step. You also have the valet feature, so you can enable or disable. I also forgot to mention that you can change or you can activate and disable the valet feature as well using the cruise control buttons. I'm going to show you that in a video shortly. There's also custom inputs. So this is something that your tuner does. This is, you might see this blank if your tuner didn't set anything up in this page. So in this specific car, I have a slidey bar that's going to control the strength of the pops and bangs. So you just slide it for stronger pops, or you just slide it for light burble. There's also DTC control, so you can turn on or you can turn off the codes, and you can check what the codes are. There's also fuel pump at the bottom here, so you can turn the fuel pump on and off. And there's other stuff as well that help you, like for example idle relearn, ECU reset, and if you wanted to flash or program the car, program ECU. If you wanted to remote tune, this is also possible with the Bluetooth interface. You can also do performance analyzer if you wanted to do some runs. This is also an option with the application. So one last thing that I forgot to show you is the valet feature using the cruise control buttons. So you just press cancel. You're going to go to RPM 8. So it's not a map, it's a feature. You just go to 8, press cancel again. This is going to engage it. And if you want to just disable valet, you just repeat the process, go back to it. Remember, this is not a map, this is a feature. So you just go to it to activate it, and then you go back to it again to disable it.